Welcome to Mya and Lexi's New England Colony presentation. This is a map of the New England Colony. They include of Vermont, Maine, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, and Rhode Island.
They traded fish, whale products, ships, timber products, furs, maple syrup, copper, livestock products, and horses. They did this so that they could trade what they have to get what they need.
The natural resources include timber, fish, and deep waters. Human resources include skilled craftsmen, shopkeepers, and shipbuilders. Their climate is mild summers and bitterly cold winters to the point where diseases didn't spread.
Towns and churches as their center of life, and religious reformers and separatists was how they were grouped/divided.
Town hall meetings, godly men, and representatives of the government are characteristics of the New England Colony.
In this picture of the New England colonists, they are having a town meeting. And then in this picture, it is a shopkeeper running his shop.
Bye. Thanks for watching.